What's going on, everybody? It's your girl SnkrMom here. Today I'm going to be reviewing the New Balance 9060 Cyan Burst. Let's get into it. With the box, which you got your same normal basic New Balance box that's all gray with your New Balance on top. You got New Balance on this side also, but then we're gonna go to the front of the box and it reads 9060 New Balance, green and gray. That's pretty much it. So let's get into the inside. Opening up the box, you just got some plain green tissue paper on the insides. That's pretty much it. Nothing spectacular going on for the inside of the box. So let's go ahead and get into the main ingredient of this video, and that is the New Balance 9060 Cyan Burst. Alright, starting out by saying I'm loving this colorway. Can't go wrong with this nice spring-like colors, these aquas and greens, and you got your yellows and a guava color in here also. Very, very nice shoe. As we all know, 9060s have been doing their thing as of late for the past year, and these right here, they hit well too also, and I'm just loving the colorway of this shoe also. And it's a DTLR exclusive, and DTLR have been having a lot of exclusives lately, and these right here are one of the top ones they brought out also for this year. And like I said, very, very nice colorway. So let's go ahead and get into the description of the shoe. As I said before, it's a 9060, so we all know they come with these nice thick, give you that chunky look on the shoe. You got this nice, I'm going with an aqua color, aqua suede going throughout the whole upper of the shoe. Very nice, very clean. You have these hints of this mesh. This is like a light gray mesh right here on top of the toe. You got your New Balance symbol right here in that nice guava colorway stitched on the top of the toe. Also, coming to the side of the shoe right here, you got your New Balance right here stitched in on the end in that nice light gray colorway. Still got your nice aqua coming throughout the whole sides of the shoe. Flipping to the back of the heel, you got your New Balance right there in that guava. Then you got a hint of I'm gonna say like a lime and that turquoise mixture together, so it gives it like it fading in and out. Very nice. I'm loving like a translucent look. Very nice and clean. We got that normal hook right here on the back of the 9060s. I never know what that was for, but it's on every single one. So we got that one too, and it's kind of like it's like I don't know, like a pearl type color. If you look at it close up, kind of looks like a pearlish looking color. Inside of the shoe, we got New Balance right here, which you got your nice little floral flowers on the inside. Also clean. Coming back to the front of the shoe, you have these nice aqua shoelaces that come already in the shoe, which is nice. Of course, they do come with an extra pair of laces, which is nice also. You got your New Balance 9060 right there on top of the tongue. Then in the back of the tongue right here, you still have a hint of yellow. Also, I'm loving just the different multicolors they got going throughout. Same, just like I said, aqua shoelaces. Coming to this side, you got your normal New Balance N right there on the side, and like a gray with a black outline. Then we have these pogs that we have on every 9060. You got your yellow, and then you got your guava, and then you got another yellow coming across the bottom of the midsole, which is a rubber midsole. Then we flip it to the bottom, still got those pogs, but you got your New Balance on the bottom with the different colorways of the yellow and that guava color. And then it's got that absorb on this midsole, which is a very, very clean shoe. I'm loving them. I like them. Then they came out last Friday, which was the 9th. They retail for $160 in men, $120 in GS, and then it went down from there. So of course, you know, I got my GS size, and they came $120. I actually ordered them online. I usually go in store, but this time I ordered online, and it actually still came on Friday also. So very nice, very clean shoe. Loving it. DTLR exclusive of the 9060. That was the left shoe. The right shoe looks the same that way. You just got that whole aqua upper, and then you got those hints of that yellow and guava, and then you got that little semi-translucent colorway where you're coming from that green, and then you got that green and then that yellow right there that's fading in and out on the shoe also. Same bottom, and then you got the same midsole right there also. So clean shoe, but like I said, it did come with these extra laces, which I like, these nice guava laces. Definitely probably will be putting these in. Either way, I can either see putting in some all white ones also to bring them out also, but definitely probably will be going with these laces on them. I think they'll bring them out a lot more. give it an extra pop for that springtime. But this is just a perfect shoe for the springtime right here, the colorway, and everything about it speaks spring. So y'all let me know down in the comments below, did you go for these when they came out on February the 9th? Or did you go, or did you pass? Let me know if these are copper or drop. Y'all let me know down in the comments below what y'all think about these. The New Balance 9060 Cyan Burst DTLR exclusive. Quite sure they're still in stores. You can go in stores and pick them up in your local DTLR, or they still have sizes online, so you can pick them up online also. Sizing wise, I went my true to size. I went with my normal GS size 6, and they fit perfectly. So if you're going for these, go true to size, and you should be good to go. But yeah, that's pretty much all I got for y'all today. So if you're new to watching my channel, hit that subscribe button. Hit that notification bell so you can know when I post all my videos. Follow me on Instagram at SnkrMom1721. Stay tuned to the end for that on foot. And until the next time, it's your girl SnkrMom. Peace.